think tank, Yogea's Playground to Creating Innovative Asanas. Have you observed an octopus resting on the seabed with its tentacles sprawled wide open? No? Let's try it. Heel toe your feet out into a wide fan pose or straddle pose, and then bring your hands to the floor. Take a little bit of wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. And now we are going to bring our right shoulder down to the floor. So right shoulder goes down to the floor and the right arm moves all the way to the back so you have a nice support. You can splay your legs open more. Start to twist from your mid-back and take your left arm all the way up, cupping the floor with your left hand while you're pressing through all the corners of your feet and the top of your right hand. And here you have His Majesty, the octopus, lying on the seabed, sprawled and resting.